Hey guys, just a quick little video on indices with also questions with different types. So there's nothing really here not appropriate for higher GCSE maths either. So if you found yourself here and you are GCSE, this is for you too. If any of you are rusty at all on your indices, I'm putting a link down below in the description to my indices playlist. Particularly if you're at A level, these are things now that might have seemed quite big at GCSE. They are very much now though at A level, the little things that we really need to be good at. So let's get cracking. Okay, first up then we got three expressions that we want to write in index form. So question 1, we've got root p. Now that's the square root of p, so that is p to the power 1/2. Question 2, 1 over p. Well, that as a power of p is p to the -1. And then for question 3, we've got the square root of p cubed. So the square root of p cubed is a combination of normal powers and fractional powers. So we could first of all write this using brackets as p cubed to the power of 1/2. Then if we multiply the powers, this becomes p to the power 3 over 2, like that. Okay, next up we have three expressions to evaluate. Now that means to find the answer as a normal number with no power attached. So, question 4, 16 to the power of 1/2 is just the square root of 16, which is 4. Now when we're playing with indices, we only really worry about the positive square root. We don't worry about the negative. Then for part 5, 27 to the -2/3. So we've got a negative fractional indice here. Let's first of all take care of the negative bit. Now remember that puts our number and the rest of the power onto the bottom of a fraction, like that. Now 27 to the 2/3, we first of all want to cube root that. So we're going to get 1 over, now the cube root of 27 is 3, so we're left with 3 squared. So then we've got, this is 1/9, like that. And then for the final one, 25/16 to the -3 over 2. So 25/16 to the -3 over 2. So when you have a fraction to a negative power, the negative part flips the fraction over. So this is 16/25 to the positive 3/2. We then want to square root the top and bottom, so we get 4/5, and then that is to the power of 3. So then we just cube the top and cube the bottom. So 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed is 125. Lovely jubbly. Okay, and lastly, we are looking at solving equations involving indices. So, question 7, 4 to the power x equals the cube root of 16. So, we want to work out what x is. So, first of all, what do we notice? Well, we notice we've got 4 to the power of x. So what we need to do is change the cube root of 16 into a power of 4. Now we can first of all write 4 to the x, we could say is the cube root of 16, but 16 is 4 squared. So if we then write that as a power, we've got 4 squared cube rooted. So that is 4 to the power 2 thirds. So 4 to the power of x is 4 to the power of 2 thirds. Therefore, x is 2 thirds. And then for our final question, question 8, we have root 3 times 3 to the power of x equals 1 over 9. So, what can we do here? Well, first of all, root 3 in index form is 3 to the power of 1/2. So we got 3 to the power of 1/2 times 3 to the power of x. And that is equal to, now 1 over 9 is 1 over 3 squared, which is 3 to the power of -2. So now our equation is fully in terms of 3's. We can now collect the powers together on the left. So 3 to the power of 1/2 times 3 to the power of x is 3 to the power 1/2 add x. Now we know that is equal to 3 to the power of -2. Now we know the powers have to be exactly the same. So we can stop thinking of powers now. We can just set ourselves up in an equation. So 1/2 add x is equal to -2. If we take away the 1/2, we get x equals -2.5, which is -5/2, like that. So x is -5/2. Okay guys, jobs are good for this video. As I say, if you're rusty with any of that, check out my Indices playlist, where I've got separate videos on every separate concept when it comes to indices. So we need to be really good, really confident at these for A level. Okay guys, take care. Next time we are looking at surds. How exciting is that? Yay.